This is Google Drive file management tutorial. File management is one of the most important skills as a virtual assistant. A well-organized file system helps clients easily find documents, improves workflow, and saves time. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create folders in Google Drive, organize files properly, use color coding, upload files, create subfolders, share folders with clients or other people, use stored folders for quick access. So first, how to open a Google Drive. To start, open your browser and go to drive.google.com and click enter. If you're signed in to your Google account, you will automatically be here. But if not, you will need to sign into your Google account. The other option for you to open it, go to your browser. If you're signed in already, you just need to click this grid and then click Drive. Once you're inside Google Drive, you will see your files, different folders, navigation menu, storage section. Let's understand the Google Drive sidebar. On the left side of Google Drive, you will see different navigation tabs. Each section has a different purpose. So first, the My Drive. This is the main storage area of your Google Drive. This is where your folders are stored, your uploaded files are saved, your organized documents are located. You can think of it as your main workspace. And then next is computers. This section contains files synced from your computer. For example, desktop files, document folders, photos automatically back up, and this is useful when Google Drive Backup and Sync is connected to a laptop or a desktop computer. Shared with me. This area contains files and folders other people shared with you. Example, client folders, team documents, shared project files. Files here are not automatically added to your My Drive unless you organize them yourself. Next is recent. This section shows files you recently opened, edited, viewed, or uploaded. It helps you quickly access files you recently worked on. Next is starred. This contains important files or folders you marked as favorites. Use this for frequently used client folders, important documents, priority projects. This saves time because you don't need to search for them repeatedly. Spam contains suspicious or unwanted shared files. Google automatically places harmful or suspicious items here to protect your account. Usually, you don't need to manage this section often. And then next is trash. Here, deleted files are stored temporarily. Important things to know, files are not permanently deleted immediately. You can restore deleted files from trash. Google Drive automatically removes them after a certain period. Always double check trash before permanently deleting important files. Let's create folders. Folders help organize files into categories. So how we can do that? You can just right click and then new folder. Okay, you can simply click this plus new and then click folder, new folder, and then add a name for your folder. For example, clients projects. This is just an example. Next is social media content. Next is business documents. These folders help separate different tasks and projects. Next is we're gonna use color coding to make folders easier to identify. For example, client projects. Just need to click this three dots and then click organize. And here you can change the color. So for client projects, let's do color blue. And there you have it. It was changed. For restricted, I want to keep it in gray. And then for social media content, I want it purple. And then next is business documents. These are red. This one is color red. So there you have it. We have different colors. Let's now create subfolders. Subfolders help organize files inside the main folder. So let's go to client projects. And then here, let's create different subfolders. You can use this, but for now, we're going to use the right click and new folder. The first folder here is contracts. Then next folder is invoices. Next folder is reports. Next folder is meeting notes. So now we have different folders here. You can also change the color as we did earlier. So this one, okay. Next, we're gonna upload files. You can upload different type of files like documents, PDF, images, videos, spreadsheets. How to upload files? You need to open the folder. For example, we're gonna do reports. And then click this or right click and then click this file upload, this one, upload. Google Drive allows you to share folders with clients or team members. We're going to go to reports. If you want to share this whole folder, you can click this, the drop down arrow, and click share. You can choose to share or copy the link. So share, you can just add the email here. And then click this email. You can add a message here or you can just simply click send. You can click this to change the permission access as viewer, commenter, or editor. And then this one, you can just copy the link or simply click send. If you want to share one file only, you can just hover your mouse and then click this button to share. And it's the same thing. You can also click this one and anyone with a link and change the permission for the access as viewer, commenter, or editor. And just click copy the link. It means anyone on the internet with this link can view it as viewer, commenter, or editor. And then you copy the link, you send it to the person you want to share it with. I want to talk about these starred folders. So starred folders help you quickly access important files. How to add a folder to starred. Here, you just need to right-click on that file and then click organize and then add to starred. And it will be automatically added to the starred folder. How to remove this folder from starred. You just need to right-click and then organize and remove from starred. That's simple. Best practices for file management. A virtual assistant should always maintain organized files. You need to use clear and specific folder names. Keep similar files together, avoid duplicate files, organize files regularly. You need to review folders weekly or monthly to remove outdated files, rename unclear documents, archive old projects. Why file management matters for virtual assistants. Good file management helps improve productivity, reduce confusion, save time, prevent lost documents, improve communication with clients. Our goal is to properly organize the Google Drive, make it easy to navigate, have clear folder structures, organize naming systems, allow fast access to important files, and support smoother collaboration with clients. Remember, good file management creates a more professional and efficient workflow for every virtual assistant.